a sneezing smell. I got the hint of it. I went for a long walk. Oh my god, my allergies killing me. Oh, that's toilet paper. Oh, goodness. Okay. Two bowls here. Oh. I went for a long walk. Oh my lord. Everything's like starting to flower here in California. My allergies. Oh lord. Oh, and I'm out of breath because. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm gonna start with the saline nose spray. Asthmatic, out of breath. At least I walked. Doing my exercise program on my subscription, and I thought I'd take a little walk. Not a long, actually it was a long walk. That was good though. It was good. It was good for me. Because I wanted to burn breakfast. Burn breakfast off. Start burning it off, baby. Work on that. Okay. Antihistamines. I'll get everything out. Let's see. Where's my medicine? Oh, reach for my medicine. Oh, there it is. There it is. There we go. Benadryl. Good old Benadryl. Let me get some of these medicines. I catch my breath. Usually I get up and do the nose blowing, but I changed it. I got up and ate breakfast. The chicken Caesar wrap. And I started my exercise program. It's really super cold out. I walked to my bare feet for a while. My feet were like freezing, but it's like, I think it's healing for it. Like, ooh, the cold of the earth. I think it's very healing. Okay, Indural check. Oh, I made myself dizzy. I know my blood pressure, my heart rate. My heart rate when I was doing the lunges and the forms, you know. Well, at least I tried. Of course, don't bite if you're allergic. See your doctor, but this has been working really good for me. Flonase, oh my god, every day is like congestion, you know. This is daily life. Eat the most healthy you could be. Oh, one is vegan, everything. Just very, very congested, snotty, asthmatic. Nobody's like, ever since I had COVID, oh, here, it's like it got worse, like, it's like, yeah, it got worse, but. There we go. With the California, the air is good. I mean, I'm not saying the air quality is terrible, but I'm just saying the cool, it's like cool, or it's, you know, warm. It's not, how do I say it? it's enough humidity, but it's not so much humidity every day that, like in Florida, air's, you know, all standing on end and stuff. I do enjoy it, but I do like the Florida beaches, and the sand is so nice. Like the white sands and the, oh yes, I like that. This should help. Oh my god. Well, at least I tried. I'm brave to go out there on my bare feet and on the pavement and the cold bricks and the cold bricks and I was like, ugh. And I want to enjoy the cold because when it's summer, it's gonna be bloody hot. Too funny. Oh god. Pretty funny, pretty funny. See, it's much better. Yeah, it's my routine. I just switched it around. Oh yeah, that's much like, it's so much better. Much better. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.